2011 Lexus RX350. Silver metallic paint. Aluminum alloy wheels. Tow hitch trailer package. Rear bumper protector. All tinted windows. Cargo mat. Power liftgate. Roof rail crossbars. Gold kit black leather interior. Wood grain trim. Memory driver's seat. Heated and cooled front seats. Navigation, 6-disc in-dash changer, plays MP3 CDs as well. Backup camera. Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth. Cruise control. Auto headlights. Just over 161,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on, see us. AU Cars.